Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is second part of Cambridge Primary Checkpoint October 2023 paper 1 part 2. In the first part we did question 1 to 16. In this part we will do the remaining question. So let's see what is the first question here. The first question number 17, first question of this video is Carlos draws a shape made of squares. You can see he shades part of the shape. So this is one square, right? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 made of squares. He is saying squares. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So these are small squares here that makes this shape. So Carlos says 50% of the shape is shaded. So 50% of the total shape is shaded, right? So tick to show if Carlos is correct. So we will see how much is shaded and how much is not shaded. So in this, as we counted like 1 2 3 4 5 squares this way and 1 2 3 4 square this way. So 5 times 4 there are 20 squares and as a whole, right? And shaded, out of that shaded is 1 2 3 4 and 4 this shaded is 8, right? 8 out of 20 is shaded. So how many total are shaded? There are like this one big shape here, 2, this one, 3 4 and 5. So total shaded squares are 8 times 5, which is 40, right? And total number of squares we have, total number of squares we have here 20. So 20 times we have here 5 big shapes, so it is 100. But 40 is not half of 100, is not 50%. If it's 50, then it was 50%. So this is not correct. So we are going to say that only 40 squares out of 100 are shaded, which is not 50%, right? Total number of squares are 100 and 40 are shaded, right? So this was just 1 mark question, but you see there was some effort that you have to put to complete this one. So let's move to the next question, number 18. Question number 18. Here is a part of the sequence. We have 1.06, 1.04, 1.02. The sequence continues in the same way. Write the next two terms. If you see, the difference here is 0.02. So if we subtract, and it is decreasing, if we subtract, we are getting it was 1.06. So subtracted 0.02, it's 1.04. Again subtracted 0.0, it is 0.12. So 1.02, minus 0.02, it's gonna be 1.00. Okay, so 1.00 minus 0.02, it's 0.98. So this is the next term, right? So this is how you can make the calculations here. Now number 19, here is the recipe of making strawberry milkshake. 1 strawberry milkshake ingredients are given: 8 strawberries, 250 ml of milk, 2 ice cubes. Method: place all the ingredients in a blender for 1 minute. Jen uses the recipe to make strawberry milkshakes for his friends. He has 56 strawberries, 1.5 liters of milk and 20 ice cubes. Calculate the maximum number of strawberry milkshakes Chen could make with his gradient. Show all your working. This is 2 marks question. So let's see, first of all, 56 strawberries. For 1 milkshake he needs to have 8 strawberries. So divide by 8, that is going to be 7. So he can make 7 milkshakes here, right? If he has 56 strawberries, but he still need to have more. 250 ml milk is needed for one milkshake, and he have here 1.5 times 1000, it will be 10 gone 1500 ml. So 1500 milliliter of milk, and he needs 250 ml. So if you divide this by 250, we are going to get 6. So he can make 6 milkshakes, right, if he have 1500 ml of milk, right? Then 20 ice cubes. For one milkshake he need 2 ice cubes, so divide by 2, it's gonna give you 10 milkshakes. But remember, it's written maximum number, so don't take the maximum here, because he will not have enough ingredients for that. So minimum is here the 6 milkshakes. So if he makes 6 milkshakes, then he will have all the ingredients with him. So final answer is going to be 6, right? Now number 20, here are 3-digit cards. So we have these 3-digit cards here, 2, 5 and 7. Use all these 3 digits to make the largest possible number. So largest possible number means we should have a biggest number here outside, because we are multiplying it with the smallest number. So the smallest number is going to be 5 minus 2, which is 3 times 7, 21, right? Simple question. Now number 21, here are 2 empty bottles. You can see 2 bottles here. One is here, A and B. Not drawn to the scale. Naomi pours water with the volume of 600 ml into bottle A. See, try to read it again. Naomi pours water with the volume of 600 ml into bottle A. She is putting 600 ml of water. Bottle A is now half full, meaning it's not full. With 600 it is half, right? So that means 600 here, to make it full it should be made it twice, filled twice. Naomi then pours half of the water in bottle A. Naomi then pours half of the water in bottle A into bottle B. So the total capacity of this bottle is 600, it is 1200 ml, right? That's for bottle A. Now Naomi pours then half of the water in bottle A to bottle B. From here she is putting water, half of this. Half of this means she is putting 600 ml water to this one. Bottle B is now half full. Again now this is half full up to here. Okay, so now see, try to get this again. Let me explain. Naomi pours water with volume of 600 ml into bottle A. Bottle A is now half full. So she is not putting the total water, she is putting half of this. She put only 600 in bottle A, then half of this she puts in here. So that means she puts 300 ml water in bottle B, right? Bottle B is now half full. So this is now half, right? So this is half. What is the capacity of bottle A? Bottle A's capacity is, as we have calculated, 1200 ml. What is capacity of bottle B? This, after putting this half of this bottle, she said she pours half of the water, half of this into this one. That makes it half. And then what is the capacity? So 300, this is half, plus 300, this is going to be 600 ml of water, right? This is a bit tricky, so you go step by step. Now number 22, a bag contains red, white and black beads only. There are 8 beads in the bag altogether. So we have red, white and black beads. Here we are given. There are 8 beads in bag altogether. Total of these beads is 8. Mike picks up one bead from the bag at random, there is an even chances of picking black beads. So meaning total are 8, half of the beads are black, meaning that black beads are 4, right? There is a greater chance of picking a red bead than white bead. Complete the table about Mias. So more number of red beads are there than white. If I take this as 3, so this is going to be 1. 3, 1 and 4, that makes total of 8, and number of red beads are more than white beads, right? Number 23, write a number in the box to complete the statement. So we have something times 3 over 4. So to make this, if I multiply this here by 5 times 4 is 20, you see, then this will become 3 times 5. So that means we need here 5, and then we need to have something here that make it same. So let's not put it this way. So if we have here x times 5 equals to 3 over 4, right? So to eliminate this, we have to divide it by 5. 3 over 4 divided by 5, meaning this whole thing is divided by 5. So divided by 5, 1 over 5. So this will become here 5. So this is 3 over 20. So 3 over 20 will give us 3 over 4 when you multiply it by 5, right? Now number 24, two identical circles are cut into half. These are two circles and they are cut into half. The 4 pieces are arranged to make a new shape of width 12. So this is width 12. Write the height of the new shape. We are looking for the height of this one. If you see, this one is 12, right? So it divides into 2 equal parts. So this is 6 and 6 length from here to here, and then half of this is going to be 3, like this, 3, 3 and 3. As these are the identical circles, so that means this radius is also 3, this is 3, and then this is also 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, it's going to be 9, right? So 9 centimeter will be the height. Number 25, points A, B and C are plotted on the coordinate grid. So A, B, C, you can see, write the coordinates of the middle point of line joining A and B. So first of all, let's join line A and B, then we will see what are the coordinates. So coordinates of A, point A are, this is 3 and 4, 3, 4, and coordinates of B are 1 and -2, 1 and -2. So we are looking for the midpoint. So midpoint will be somewhere in the middle. So meaning 3 plus 1 over 2 and 4 plus -2, that is -2 over 2. So 3 plus 1 is 4 over 2. This is 2 over 2, which is 2 and 1, right? Now ABCD is a square. This ABCD is a square. Write down the coordinates of point D. So let's first join point C, then we will see how. If you will see from here to here, it is 5.5. This is also 5.5. So let's see 5.5 here. If I take this point 5.5 somewhere here, so from here this side 5.5 is coming at this point. So this is the point, right? So let's join this and see if it makes a square. Yeah, this is a square. It looks like a square. But our question is not to make that. The question is write down the coordinates of point D. So this is our point D now. Going down for x-axis, this is -3 and y-axis is 6. Okay. So 1 mark question, simple. Now let's move to the next question, and before we do this question, I would request you guys to press the like button and also press the notification bell so that you can get the notification whenever there is a new video. So, and also share these videos with your friends if you like it, and press the like button. So see this number 20. See, Lily has 4-digit cards, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Lily uses cards to make 3 digits number that is divisible by 6. Write all different numbers Lily could make. So to divisible by 6, a number is divisible by 6 when it is divisible by 2 and 3 also. It should be divisible by 3 and by 2. So by 2 it should be an even number, and by 3 the total should be divisible by 3. So the even numbers we are going to get like 4 and 6 in the end, like 4, all the numbers that ends with 4 and 6. If the number ends with 4, we are making 3-digit number, right? If the number ends with 4, then we will take the other one here. It can be 3, 5, 354, and 5, 3, 4. 4 will remain there, and then we can have 3 and 5, we can have 6 and 5, 6 and 5, 5 and 6, but 4 will remain there. So we can also have 6 and 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 4. So these are the numbers that ends with the 4, which are divisible by 2, right? So we will go step by step. Now we are looking for the numbers which are divisible by 3 out of this. So these are the numbers that ends with 4. Now number can end with 6 also if it is divisible by 2, right? So let's see what we can have. If we take this as number, so we have used, so there can be 346 and 436, right? If we use this one, so another can be 456, 546, 546, right? 546. Then the next one can be 5 and 3. So 536 and 356, 356, right? These are the numbers when they end with even numbers and they will be divisible by 2. Now we will see how many out of this are divisible by 3. So to check the divisibility by 3, you need to have the total is divisible by 3, right? So 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 13. It's not divisible. So 6 plus 4, 10, 13. This is also not. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5 is, 8, 8, 12. 12 is divisible, right? By 3. 5 plus 3, 8. This is also divisible. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 6 plus 4, 10, 15. So these 4 numbers we got from here. And here 6 plus 3, 4, 13, not divisible. This is also 13. 6 plus 9 plus 5, 15. 5 plus 4, 9, this one. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 6, 14, no. So this is also no. So we have these numbers which are divisible. So now we can write down 354, 534, 654, so just list all the numbers here. Okay, so this is tricky question, so you need to be very careful and you need to put some efforts to get to the conclusion. Okay, now number 27, Yuri arranges 4 identical right angle triangles to make a square. So these are the 4 triangles. See this 1, 2, 3, 4 to make a square in the middle somewhere. Calculate the area of the shaded square. We are looking for this shaded area. So first of all, area of okay, so this outer shape, if this is 2 and this is 4, this is gonna be 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, like this. So this total length is 6 and this is also 6. So this is a bigger square. Now area of the bigger square is 6 times 6, which is 36 centimeter square, right? Now area of smaller square we don't know because we don't have the this side, but we can find out area of the triangle. Area of one triangle. Area of one triangle is half times base. Base is this 4 times 2 height. 4 times 2 height. 2 and 2 is gone. So area is 4 centimeter of one triangle. 4 centimeter square. So area of, we have how many? 4 such triangles. 4 triangle is 4 times 4, which is 16 centimeter square. So this total area minus the area of 4 triangles will give you the shaded part. So area of shaded part is 36 minus 16, 20 centimeter squares, right? Now 28, write down a single digit in each box to complete the statement. 6 tens is 60, right? We can put 0 0 zeros there. 300 and 8 hundredths, so this is 3.308. 47 thousandths, so thousandths is here. Now you just add it. 60 point. Sorry, I added one extra zero here. This is 47 thousandths. So after hundredths there will be only one like this. So now let's add this one. 60.355 like this. Okay. Now number 20, a chef wants to buy a large amount of flour. The 6 bags of flour he could buy as shown in this scatter graph. They are labeled from A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F. Write down a letter of the bag of flour that has the lowest price for each kilogram. So this is the kilogram and this is the price. So the lowest price is for each kilogram. Mass in kilogram, this is, you see, the mass is maximum and then price is lowest, a kilogram. So the lowest one is going to be here, F, right? Write down the letter of 2 bags of the flour where the price of each kilogram is same. The 2 one is here, D and E. No. Write down the letter of 2 bags of flour where the price of each kilogram is same. So price of each kilogram, it is this one, is B and C. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. This is question number 30 here. Here is a grid. Here is a grid with the 2 symbols. We have circles, we have triangles. Here each symbol represents a whole number. The total of each column and 2 of the rows are shown here. So we are given this one here. So you see there are 1, 2, 3 circles and the total is 12 divided by 3. So that means this is 4, 4 and 4. And then, so meaning value of circle is 4. So we can put 4 here, 4 here. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus what gives you 13? It is 5. So triangle is 5. So this is 5, 5 and then again 5. So this total will become then 15. So this is how we can complete it with the missing numbers, right? So now missing a row total is 15. Safia chooses a number with 3 digits. She multiplies her number by 100. The answer is also the 3 digits. Write down the number Safia could choose. There can be different answers, like 3.75 is, if I multiply this by this, again remains 3 digits. Your answer may be different than me because he has not specified that this should be a decimal number or not. So we can choose a decimal number and multiply by 100. Again we are going to get a 3 digits number, right? So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys understood everything. Be blessed, guys, and kindly share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.